Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we have three job updates and let's see it one by one. The first job update is from Propel and it is a software developer role. The job location is Chennai. Now let's see the experience range, experience skill and other things. The experience range is you should be a fresher and you should be from the 2023 and 2024 passed out batch. And the expected skill is you should have a strong fundamental of programming, analytical and problem solving skill, proactive and self motivated. You should have a good oral and written communication skill. And the criteria or degree is it is open to all specification with the 60 percentage and no standing arrear. The test and interview process is aptitude test, programming test, final offline interview in Chennai office. And the employment begins with the 6 months of mandatory training period and the work location is Chennai. Now let's see the requirements. You should be proficient in any of the programming languages like C, C++, Java, C Sharp, Python, or JavaScript. And you should have the basic knowledge of databases, data structure, OOPS, and you should have the knowledge of common application of web security. You should have the knowledge of the common application or web security and OWASP vulnerability. Now, let's see the second job update. The second job update is from Webomates and it is a automation tester fresher role. And the experience required is fresher. The location is remote and the employment type is permanent and full time and there are 6 open positions. You should be immediate joiner within 2 weeks. They are particularly interested in graduates who have completed a comprehensive training program that equips them the strong skills in Selenium locator, Selenium WebDriver, Java programming, automation frameworks, problem solving and analytical skill, and good to have skills like Git, MySQL, and REST API. The third job update is from ZS and it is a decision analytics associate. The job location is Gurgaon and Noida. And let's see what you will do. You will develop and apply advanced statistic model and help the client understand the dynamic business issue. You will leverage analytical technique to use data to guide clients and ZS team decision making. You will design compliant analytics in R, Table AU, SAS, Visual Basic, and Excel to investigate and inform clients' needs. You should synthesize and communicate result to the clients and ZS team through oral and written presentation. You should develop client relationship and serve as a key point of contact on aspect of project. You should provide client and ZS team project status update. You should create project deliverables and implement solution. You should have a advanced problem solving skill and improve ZS capabilities. And you should guide and mentor associates on the team. And let's see what you will bring. You should have a bachelor's or master's degree required in any discipline with a strong record of academic success in quantitative and analytical coursework such as operation research, applied mathematics, management science, data science, statistics, econometrics, or engineering. And you should have up to 3 years of relevant post college job experience and fluency in English, knowledge of programming such as Java, Python, or R. And you should have exposure to the tools or platforms like Hadoop ecosystem and database system. Also, you should have a demonstrated proficiency in programming language or analytical tools such as R, SAS, Table AU, or VBA. You should be highly motivated and have good work ethic maturity, and personal initiative. You should have a effective oral and written communication skill, empathy or adaptability and emotional intelligence, strong attention to detail with a quality focused mindset, should have self discipline for planning and organizing tasks, and aptitude for and enjoyment of works in team. We will provide you the apply link in the description. And if you found this video helpful, hit the like button, subscribe, and share it to your friends.